Today we're gonna show you how to send money to somebody using PayPal. So if you have a PayPal account and somebody you want to send to has a PayPal account, the process is very simple. What you got to do is you have to log in. That's what we haven't showed. Log into your PayPal account, and after logging in, then you're gonna go to make sure get the email address of a person who wants to receive money, right? Make sure that guy has a PayPal account, right? So after doing that, if everything's fine, then you're gonna do what? You're gonna have to log in. After logging in to PayPal, then you're gonna have to click on what? On payments, right? Once you click on payments, you're gonna see a little bit US dollars primary. So my currency, I converted it to US dollars, which is okay. So if you are from Britain, you can change it to pounds. If you're from France, you change it to your money, and China, whatever country, you can convert it to your own money so that you do really understand what's going on. Sometimes the conversion becomes a problem, so remember, when you send, you're gonna be charged some money, and also the person who receives might be charged some money. That's the difference between PayPal and some platforms. When you send, the receiver does not get charged. Remember, this person, when you get money, he is going to withdraw, the withdrawal fees, the transfer fees from this PayPal account to another bank, all those things. So let me try to say, you click on send or request. Okay. So send or request, these are the people I've paid here before. So I'm gonna come here and paste in the email address I want. So you can see send to a PayPal detects the email address, and they say, okay, this email address exists in our database. So what happened? You click on that. Let's see how much US dollars I want to pay this guy. I want to pay him 10. Okay. Use agreement, whatever. Add note. Say next. Send to a friend. It's free to use PayPal balance to send payments. Okay. Paying for an item or service. This seller's payment or fee, whatever items are covered by PayPal buyer protection. Okay. Let me take this, send to a friend. Okay. You can see gift. I'm gonna take from this card. Okay. Let me see. I should go back, be sure of what we send in $10. Let me delete this. $10. Wonder. Let me see. Let me continue. I don't want to make mistakes. Fees is R1.55. R1.55. Like I had already made a mistake. I was gonna send $100, something like that. So this, they're gonna charge me this money. I'm gonna use this card and I say okay, I'm sending $10. Let me see. There's something which I don't get here. No promise. Okay, let's send. Okay. Okay, bank. They show that. Okay. You will pay 309. Right, so this is $10. It means I'm gonna pay 309. Well, that's fine. So I'm paying to this guy, then it's okay, everything's fine. This is the money they're gonna charge me. This is the overall money I'm paying. Okay, well, that's okay. I don't want to change anything. I'm gonna accept and say send payment. Okay, I've sent this guy the money, and then the what, I have to make what they call a screenshot and send it to him and tell him, look, I've paid you now, and he should log into his account and check if he received the money. So I'm gonna do that now. Okay, after doing that, the guy gonna receive his money when he logs into his PayPal. So another thing you have to do to make sure you have everything, you press Ctrl, then print screen. Yes, I've done that. After doing that, then I'm gonna send an email to him and tell him, look, I've sent you money, check your account. Right, that is super simple. Everybody, I think that works. Anyway, you go to summary. After doing that, and you can see that $10 has been sent, and you can see here I sent I purchased for $72. Here it was $100. You can see everything, how it works. $15. So all these are the previous transactions. So here is today's transaction. You can see I sent to this guy, Tonisha Ren. So I guess that is okay, guys. And even in your Gmail, you're gonna receive something telling you that, you know what, you have paid this much money. So that gonna help you to do what, to have a proof and send to the guy and tell him, you know what, you've been paid. So I guess we should conclude our video, but if you have any problems with doing this, tell us. But also you have to be aware of the charges. I sent $10, I was charged more. So before you do that, you can go to Google and say USD to your country's money. So if I set 309, this is what we get. $10 gives me $140. But there was some charges they charged me on the card. So it says $10. They sent me this. I paid $10. Then I got, is what they but I paid double. I don't know why, but that I'll do investigations after. Thanks for watching, guys. You've seen how things have gone, and see you in the next video. If you have a question, please ask it now in the comment box below.